In this video, I'm going to show you how to view send friend requests on Facebook. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Facebook app, then right here tap at menu icon and there scroll down for a bit and hit on settings and privacy. Then tap on settings and next tap right here at that magnifying glass icon. Here at the search box type in ACT. It shows you app different results, but you have to tap on activity log just right here and then scroll down until you find the connections. Hit at that small down arrow to show up these features, and here you can easily find send friend request. Just hit on that and it shows you all your send friend requests. As you can see, I got here 2 send requests. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.